Every mirror in the world follows just two laws. Let me show you what reflection is. Law 1. The angle going in equals the angle coming out. Always. The pool ball obeys the same rule. Law 2. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. A concave mirror curves inward. It converges parallel light to a real focus F. That is why makeup mirrors and dentist mirrors work. A convex mirror curves outward. It diverges light. That is why your car side mirror says objects are closer than they appear. One formula solves every mirror problem. 1 over V plus 1 over U equals 1 over F. Worked example. U is minus 30, F is minus 20. 1 over V equals 1 over F minus 1 over U. The answer, V is minus 60 centimeters. Memorize. Use. Score. Like and subscribe.